Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like.
Today's video, we're gonna be replacing the vinyl wrap that's on my car currently. I'll be adding this satin chrome vinyl and also the red chrome vinyl. I'll be removing all the edge cut vinyl that I have on the car, and I'll make all them rounded. And I'll show you how I cut them in my car, and then I'll show you how I apply that to my car with a heat gun and a squeegee. Alright, let's get started. First things first, I put it against the car and went over with a pen. Pen is erasable on these vinyls. Just don't press it hard enough so you damage the vinyl. Slightly, scan over it, and then once you're done, you can just take it back to the car. Get your knife, just start cutting it out. Make sure you cut carefully. Once you put the knife down, you should try not to pick it up unless you have to, unless you want to rotate the vinyl. That's the best way of doing it. Always try to change out the Velcro on your squeegee once you use it a few times, because it becomes pointless afterwards. So I got the fresh one right here. I'm gonna put it back on and we should be good to go. There you go, fresh pair. I would just take this, put it against the car, do the first half, cut the second half in the middle, and we should be good.
Obscurity, don't let me ever be this alone. I'm falling. Shouldn't be trusting me, I could be making it all up, you know. Oh, you don't know me, I'm a danger to myself. Oh, you don't know me, I am fading unfelt.
We just finished the first half. Why I cut it like this is because I'm gonna put the chrome one here extending out this way, so it's gonna look like it's two different pieces.
Obscurity, don't let me ever be this alone. I'm falling. Shouldn't be trusting me, I could be making it all up, you know. Could be making it all up, you know. Being You call me a saint, but you know I'm a stranger, all willing and able to do what you want. You think I'm a thinker, but I'm just a singer, all busy and pretty, just making believe. Boy, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling down to obscurity. Don't let me ever be this alone. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. Shouldn't be trusting me, I could be making it all up, you know. I control, you don't know me. I'm a danger to myself. I control, you don't know me. I am fading unfelt. Oh, you look worried, and maybe you should be, 'cause this is a warning that I'm throwing out. 'Cause I'm the worst player that ever will play you, to mix up sweet words with the girl's sanity. Boy, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling down to obscurity. Don't let me ever be this alone. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. Shouldn't be trusting me, I could be making it all up, you know. I control, you don't know me. I'm a danger to myself. I control, you don't know me. I am fading unfelt.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel